So the history and roots and tenets of our program has been in direct services to organizations, and it started off with our legal programs.
Back in 1998, Michigan Community Resources, which was then known as Community Legal Resources, started with the intent of leveraging pro bono assistance from attorneys to help those nonprofits who didn't otherwise have access to legal services.
In the last 25 years, I would say that the tenets and the roots of creating access hasn't changed. Quite frankly, it's our DNA.
It's unique in the sense that there's a lot of different groups, including MCR, that provide capacity building services. The legal work is another aspect of capacity building services that only MCR provides.
My name is Albert Pack and I'm an attorney. Right out of law school, I worked at MCR as a Skadden Fellow. Had I gone directly to a law firm, for example, I don't think I would have gotten the same exposure to the people, that you're serving.
We want attorneys to be engaged in the community, to be helping these nonprofits to achieve their missions, and to feel a part of something greater.
My name is Kyle Smitley, and I'm the founder and executive director of Detroit Achievement Academy and Detroit Prep. When Detroit Prep was opening, we wanted to open in a big school building of our own. There was a deed restriction on it. The deed was really muddled. We couldn't close on the transaction.
MCR has, throughout its 25-year history, worked with organizations that are or are becoming anchors in their community.
We had an attorney that had expressed wanting to help us, and so MCR essentially paired us with them, helped us structure the scope, helped us plan and strategize.
The attorneys that we work with are the finest in the state.
When they work with a client, it's not just performing legal work. You can't go through an MCR legal engagement without getting to know your nonprofit client deeply.
And then, here we sit in this beautiful building that was restored after a decade of blight. Our neighbors have shared with us that their home values have tripled because this building exists. And this building houses Detroit Prep, which US News and World Report named as the #1 elementary school in the city of Detroit recently.
When you're meeting and understanding their legal needs, you learn so much, not just about those organizations and the leaders, but you learn about the community needs, and the gaps in the system.
And so if you think about the sort of like downstream impact of just an organization like coming alongside a small school shoulder to shoulder and saying like, nope, we can see the community benefit here, I was always blown away by it.